and I saw that it was very good and very useful activities, especially for the local villagers. There's only one opportunity for them to get out from their houses and go into the society and make some activities with their neighbors or the other villages. That's why it's really, I'm grateful to the army to organize this event, 3 days winter festival with the locals. And then I also had an opportunity to see what kind of activities doing here during the winter, and what kind of activities also doing by the army here. And I'm really happy to see the close cooperation and close interest of the army on the local people. This is very good. That's why I'm here. Another reason with the International Federation to bring the snow sports into the valleys of northern Pakistan, and the push and promote the winter sports, snow sports here in Pakistan. And it's a good opportunity actually for them and for us, because I saw that there's a really big potential here. So especially for the endurance sports, there's a big potential and big talents. I'm sure with a good project, with a good interest and investment, the Pakistan will have lots of athletes, winter sports athletes, successful winter sports athletes in the future. Thank you very much for the invitation, sir. Thank you.